Amino acids, structure, and properties. Proteins are of paramount importance for biological systems. All the major structural and functional aspects of the body are carried out by protein molecules. All proteins are polymers of amino acids. Proteins are composed of a number of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. Although about 300 amino acids occur in nature, only 20 of them are seen in human body. Most of the amino acids, except proline, are alpha amino acids, which means that the amino group is attached to the same carbon atom to which the carboxyl group is attached. Enzyme, polypeptide hormone, muscle contractile protein, bone collagen protein, plasma protein, hemoglobin, and immunoglobin, all these impotent protein in body. Classification of amino acids. 1. Based on structure of amino acid. A. Aliphatic amino acids. The amino acid contain no ring. B. Aromatic amino acids. The amino acid contain phenyl or phenol rings. Example: phenylalanine, tyrosine. C. Heterocyclic amino acids. The amino acid contain other type of rings. Example: tryptophan, histidine. D. Amino acid. Proline. Amino acid is any molecule that contains both imine, NH, and carboxyl, COOH, functional groups. The two functional groups that together define an amino acid. Classification based on side chain. A. Amino acids having nonpolar side chains. These include alanine, valine, leucine. Aromatic amino acids, methionine, proline. These groups are hydrophobic and lipophilic. B. Amino acids having uncharged or non-ionic polar side chains. Glycine, serine. These amino acids are hydrophilic in nature. C. Amino acids having charged or ionic polar side chains. Hydrophilic. Threonine, cysteine. These amino acids are hydrophilic in nature.
Classification based on metabolism.
A. Purely ketogenic, leucine and lysine. B. Ketogenic and glucogenic, tyrosine, phenylalanine. C. Purely glucogenic. 4. Classification based on nutritional requirements. A. Essential amino acid. These amino cannot be made by the body and are to be taken in food. Leucine, threonine. B. Partially essential or semi-essential. Histidine and arginine. Growing children require them in food, but they are not essential for the adult individual. C. Non-essential or dispensable because these amino can be made by the body. Classification of proteins according to function. 1. Catalytic proteins, for example, enzymes. 2. Structural proteins, for example, collagen, elastin. 3. Contractile proteins, for example, myosin, actin. 4. Transport proteins, for example, hemoglobin, myoglobin, albumin, transferrin. 5. Regulatory proteins or hormones, for example, ACTH, insulin, growth hormone. 6. Genetic proteins, for example, histons. 7. Protective proteins, for example, immunoglobulins, interferons, clotting factors. Classification of proteins based on composition and solubility. 1. Simple proteins. According to definition, they contain only amino acids. Albumin, globulins. Conjugated proteins. They are combinations of protein with a non-protein part, called prosthetic group. Conjugated proteins may be classified as follows: glycoproteins, lipoproteins, nucleoproteins, chromoproteins, phosphoproteins, metalloproteins.